Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 771, and today's topic of lecture is the medicinal importance of colchicine alkaloid, and this colchicine alkaloid also belongs to amine alkaloid, or we can say amino alkaloid, where the amino group is in the part of aliphatic carbon, and this colchicine alkaloid is having very long history because our ancient, some 1000 years ago, they were using this seed of colchicum plant, and the word colchicum actually came from Colchis port, and that is in Black Sea, and it is found mainly in South Europe or in England. So from Colchis port they gave the name colchicum, and then in autumn season it is flowering. Maximum flower is there in autumn season, means September, October, around that, and that's why they gave the name colchicum autumnale. Autumnale means autumn word came from autumn season, and this alkaloid colchicine is a very powerful anti-inflammatory. It is used in anti-gout, anti-rheumatic pain. Also it is sedative, and once it is given you will be in high mood, and it is also used to treat the other infection like swelling and some other antipyretic purpose. And this is the structure of colchicine is alkaloid, and here the nitrogen is the part of the 7-member ring, NHCO, that is keto group. So it is actually aminoacetyl group, which is having 3 methoxy group in aromatic ring, and because of this position of nitrogen, it is very weak base, very weak base. Otherwise usually the alkaloids are very strong base, because lone pair of electron is easily available at nitrogen to share. But here it is not like that, because of the keto group. It is stomide, that's why it is very weak base, and it has molecular formula C22H25O6N, and once this methoxy group is changed into hydroxy group in this 7-member ring, then it is called colchicine. Just EINE is there. So this is the structure of one of the most important plant, and this plant flower is very similar to saffron type pinkish yellowish color, and in India actually it is cultivated in a Himalayan region at the height of 3000 to 4000 feet, and it is mainly produced in Kashmir area, and in India they are widely using the corm. Corm is soiling type of stem underground. They will remove, and that soilen part, it looks like bulb, spherical soilen part, that is called corm. So that corm sometimes they will boil with water, and in this way its toxicity will be reduced, but definitely that colchicine alkaloid will remain, and that is the effective one. And in other part of the world, only they are using the seeds, and nowadays the seeds are exported from Europe and also North Africa. They have started cultivating North Africa also, and it is imported from these countries in America. And in America they are widely using to extract the alkaloid, that is amino alkaloid, colchicine, that is your colchicine. So this colchicine alkaloid is isolated from the seed, and it is widely used to treat mainly rheumatic pain, and gout pain is very, very effective and very powerful anti-inflammatory. So medicinal importance of colchicine, that is your amino alkaloid, and the botanical name of the plant is Colchicum autumnale lin, and I have already told you the word Colchicum is from port and autumn is from season, that is September, October. And Colchicum corm is widely used, and seeds also. I have already discussed the structure. Number one, Colchicum is the member of Liliaceae family because it belongs to family Liliaceae, and they are characterized by the presence of very, very important alkaloids like colchicine and some steroidal glycosides, steroidal saponins, and also cardiac glycosides and anthracene glycosides. The plant is found in the South Europe and England, and the plant was first found growing in Colchis. Colchis is a port in Black Sea, and that's why hence the name became colchicine. So the word colchicine came from Colchis, Black Sea port, and it was flowering in the season autumn, and that's why it came autumnale lin. So the word autumn came from autumn season, and that's why its name became Colchicum autumnale lin. And seeds and corm are used for medicinal purpose. So number two, both seeds and corm. It is not CORM, it is CORM. Corm means is a soil part of stem underground, and even it is not bulb. It is a more spherical and soil part of the stem, that is called corm. Analgesic, anti-rheumatic, catharic. Catharic means it is psychological. Means if it is given, people may have some high emotion, that is called catharic condition. And also it is emetic. Emetic means it can cause vomiting, and they are used mainly in treatment of gouty and rheumatic complaints. Actually, for long duration of time, from ancient time, even 1000 years ago, this alkaloid, that is amino alkaloid, that is called colchicine, is widely used to treat rheumatic pain and gout. That is very powerful anti-inflammatory, and colchicine alkaloid was used some 1500 years ago to treat gout. Colchicine structure was established in the year 1945, and now the seeds are mainly imported from Europe and North Africa to USA to isolate the colchicine alkaloid from it. Number three, colchicine, the molecular formula C22H24-5O6N, forms yellow flakes crystals in presence of chloroform or benzene, and there is a specific test for colchicine. If you take the powder material of the plant or corn and just you treat it with 70% sulfuric acid or concentrated hydrochloric acid, it will be changed into dark yellow color. Changing into dark yellow color confirms the presence of colchicine, and if colchicine is there, it means it is colchicum plant, and that is benzene. And the test: colchicine with 70% sulfuric acid or concentrated hydrochloric acid. Number 4, colchicum seeds and colchicine are used in mitotic inhibitor and is also used in malignant tumors. Those who are having some malignant tumor means cancer cells or cancerous growth, that is called malignant tumor. In that also people are using to treat the tumor which is malignant. And the colchicine is also recommended for leukemia. It's a type of skin pigmentation disorder, and in higher doses colchicine is toxic and causes diarrhea, vomiting, and even it can cause death due to the respiratory failure. And nowadays colchicine is used to multiply chromosomes 2 and into 4 and even more. Is used in horticulture and drug cultivation, where inside the cell nucleus these chromosomes are multiplied with the help of colchicine alkaloid. So with this I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.